away double the number m, it's meaning 2m. From 20, it will be 20 subtract 2m. 20 we called it here subtrahend, and twice m, it's meaning 2m. 20 subtrahend, and 2m we called it the median. Take away double the number, it will be 2m. Take away from 20, take away double the number m, it will be 2m. From 20, it's meaning 2m subtract by 2m. 20 subtract 2m. Question number 2. The volume of cube of each length 4 centimeter equal space cubic centimeter. We know the volume equal length power 3. Length here was 4 centimeters, then the volume would be 4 power 3. It's meaning 4 by 4 by 4. It will be 64 cubic centimeter. Question number 3. 3 by 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. It means 3 by power what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 power 5. Question number 4. The volume of expression 5m plus or divided again 5m divided by 3 for m equals 6. Okay, we want to find the value of the expression 5m divided by 3 for m equals 6. Then 5m is meaning 5 multiplications the value of m, 6. 5 by 6 divided by 3. 5 times 6 equals 30. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. Then the result here will be 10. Question here. It was question number 5. Okay. And the question number 4. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is the meaning 3 times 5. Because we use 3 here 5 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We add here 3 5 times. Then the result would be 3 multiplication by 5. Okay, it's the result about question number 4. Question number 4, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, it means 3 times 5. But question number 3, 3 times itself 5 times, it will be 3 power 5. Okay, 3 power 5. And the question number 5, the value of the expression 5m divided by 3 for m equals 6, but m equal 6, 5 by 6, 30 divided by 3 equal 10. Question number 6. The first operation you perform in this expression 5 plus 6 plus 5 power 3 subtract by 4 divided by 2. First operation here exponent first. We have 6 plus 5 power 3 subtract by 4 divided by 2. First operation here exponent first. Choose letter C about question number 7. Exponent first. Question 8. 7 cubed 82 6 squared equal what? 7 cubed, it will be 7 power 3. 7 cubed 82 plus 82, it's meaning what? Plus 6 squared, 6 power 2. 7 power 3 plus 6 power 2, it's meaning 7 cubed 82 6 squared. Question 10. Rosina saved X pounds. Mr. Mahmoud give her 20 pounds. Then she have space pounds now. Rosina save X pounds. So Rosina has now X pounds. And Mr. Mahmoud Al-Khuli give her 20 pounds. It will be plus 20. Then you write X plus 20 about question number 9. Okay. Question here. Number 7 again. The first operation exponent. Question number 8. Okay, 7 cubed, it will be 8 and 9 and 10. Okay, we haven't question here. In the question, he write here 7, the first operation exponent. Okay, look at with me about steps. Exponent, and 7 cubed 80 to 6 squared. 7 cubed 80 to 6 squared will be letter B. 7 cubed 80 to 6 squared. And question 10, we solved here x plus 20. Question 11, if x plus 5 equal 8, then 3x equal space, we can find the value of x here. X plus 5 equal 8, then x will be 3, because 3 plus 5 equal 8, then 3x, it's meaning 3 multiplication, the value of x will be 3. 3 by 3 equal 9. And question 12, a number if 82 5, the result is 17, then the number is what? We can write this operation. X refers to the number. If 82 5, it will be plus 5, the result will be 17. Then x will be 12, because 12 plus 5 equal 17. Then the number will be 12. Choose letter A about question number 12. Question 13. Space is a solution of inequality d greater than 15. We must choose number greater than 15, such as at what? 20. Choose letter C. Okay, 20 here greater than 15. And question 14. Space is solution of the equality d greater than or equal 15, greater than or equal to 15, it will be 15, 16, 20, all of them. Choose letter D about question 14. All of them, the result about this inequality. Question 15. Yusuf ate at least 3 oranges. Then Yusuf may eat space oranges. At least, it's meaning what? If we put x here, refers to the number of oranges which Yusuf ate, at least 3 oranges. Okay, x, it will be what? At least 3 oranges. The result will be what? Will be x and greater than or equal to 3. At least 3, then x greater than or equal to 3. So we have 3, 5, 12, all of them. Choose all of them about question 15, because Yusuf ate at least 3 oranges. If we convert this verbal word problems here, or this word is to inequality, you must write x greater than or equal to 3, because he tell us in the example Yusuf ate at least 3 oranges. Then x greater than or equal to 3, x refers to here the number of oranges which Yusuf ate them. Yusuf ate at least 3 oranges, such that 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So 3 and 15, 3 and 5 and 12, all of them exactly the result. It will all the result here true. Question 16. Lian has 25 pounds and Maya has more money than Lian. Then Maya has space pounds. More than is meaning greater than the number. Question 17. If we refer the number with here x greater than or equal to, it may what? Greater than or not? Lian has 25 pounds and Maya has money more than Lian. Okay, x the money with what? With Maya. I will put x here refers to the number with Maya. Maya has more than Lian. Lian has here 25 pounds. More than. So we must choose what? Any number greater than 25. Greater than 25, it will be 100. Choose letter C. Okay? Because they tell us Lian has 25 pounds and Maya has more than here, more money than Lian. more than the money with Lian. Lian has what? Lian has 25 pounds, and Maya has more than Lian. More than Lian, it's meaning greater than. Okay, more than 25. It will be what? 25? No. 20? No. 100. We must choose letter C because it tells us in the example Maya has more money than Lian, and Lian has 25 pounds. Then Maya may has 25 or not. No, 25 we can't choose it because he tells us this example more than Lian. More than Lian, it will be what? 100. Choose 100. More than, it's meaning the number will be more than 25. Don't choose 25 or 20, but you must choose number greater than 25, such that 100. Choose letter C. Question 17. Ziad has 16 candies and Karim has less candies than Ziad. Then Karim may has space candies less than him. Okay, less than, I will write here, convert this information to inequality. X less than what? Less than 16. X here refers to the candies with what? With Karim. I want to find how many candies Karim has now. X less than 16. X refers to the candies. All the candies with Karim. X less than 16. Which here less than 16? 10. So Karim may has 10 candies. Karim may has 10 candies because Ziad has 16 candies and Karim has less candies than Ziad. Then Karim may has 10 candies. Okay, this word less than 16, where 100? No. 16? No. 10. Okay, choose 10 because it tells us in the example less than 16 or less than Ziad, and Ziad has 16 candies. Question 18. Jana put 6 sparrow species of, and Muhammad put same number or more than Muhammad. Okay, we must choose 6 or 12 or 100 because Jana put 6 sparrow and Muhammad put same the number or more than. Okay, I will write here this inequality, convert this information to equality. I put x refers to how many Muhammad put same, it will be equal to or more than. Okay, again, Muhammad put same number or more than Jana. More than Jana. Then Muhammad, it will be the number of sparrow with Muhammad will be x greater than or equal to 6. Because he tells us in the example, Jana put 6 sparrow and Muhammad put same number or more than. Same number or more than, it will be greater than or equal to 6. Okay, such that 6, 12, 100, all of them. Choose letter D. Here the result will be all of them. Question 20. It was question 18. And the next question, it was question 18. Jana eighteen, 19 here, okay. Okay, solve with me again. Yusuf ate at least 3 oranges. Then Yusuf may eat what? 3, at least 3 oranges. It will be 3 or 5 or 12, all of them. Lian has 25 pounds and Maya has more than Lian. Then Maya has space pounds more than, it will be what? It will be 100. Question 17. Ziad has 16 candies and Karim has less candies than Ziad. Then Karim may has space what? less than 16, it will be 10. Question 18. Jana put 6 spare pieces and Muhammad put same number or more than. It will be 6 or 12 or 100 will be all them. Choose letter D. Question 19. All the following are solution to the inequality x less than or equal to -8, except what? Except what? We know -8 solution and -10 solution, -7 not solution. Choose -7. Okay, question 20. In the equation 5x plus 2 equal y, the independent variable here, it will be x. X we called it independent and y we called it dependent. Question 21. In the equation b equal half f, b equal half x plus 3. Question 21. b equal half f plus 3. Then the dependent variable here, it will be what dependent? B. B we called it dependent. Understood? Question 22. And y equal half x plus 3. If x equal 6, then y will be equal half multiplication by 6 plus 3. Okay, put x equal 6, half of 6 it will be 3, 3 plus 3 equal 6. Then the result here will be equal 6. Next question. Question 23. In the equation y equal 2x plus 5, if y equal 11, then x equal space. Put in this equation y equal 2x plus 5. Put here y equal what? Equal 11. Then 11 here, 11 equal 2x plus 5. We know 5 plus 6 equal 11. Then 2x will be equal 6 divided by 2. Then x will be equal 6 divided by 2 equal 3. 2x equal 6, then x will be 3 divided by 2. Okay, then x will be 3. Choose letter B about question 23. Question 24. Which of the following is an equation? The equation contains of this sign, and we know the equation, its relation between two expressions, and lies between them this sign. Choose letter C. 3c equal c. We call it equation. But the inequality contains of the sign less than or more than equal to, less than or equal to. It's inequality and contains of two expressions and the sign between them. Question 25. 2 and m. This order satisfies the rule 3x minus 2 equal y. Then m equal space. We want to find the value of unknown variable here m. Put x equal 2 and y equal m. Here it will be x and y. Y will be equal m. And 3x, put x equal 2. 3 by 2 subtract by 2. Then m equal 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 minus 2 will be equal 4. Then m here will be equal 4. Choose letter D. Question 26. In the equation y equal 2x plus 10. The ordered pair 3 and n satisfies this equation. Then n equal space. Put x equal 3 and y equal n in this equation. Put y equal n. Then n will be equal. Put y equal n and x equal 3. Write 2 by 3 plus 10. Then n will be equal 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 10, it will be equal 16. Question 27. Y is times h 8212. In equation what? Y is 6 times h 8212. Y equals 6h plus 12. Question 28. We have order here. It's called region. 0 and 0. We called the region. The region point here, it will be 0 and 0. We called it the original. Okay. It was question 28. Question here, number 2, complete. 6 cubed. Number 1, we have here 6 cubed. It will be what? 6 power 3. And 5 squared, it will be 5 power 2. Question 3, 5 power 2 plus 6, subtract by 2 power 3. 5 power 2, 25, plus 6, subtract 2 power 3 equal 8. 25 plus 6 equal 31. Subtract by 8 equal, here it will be 23. The result will be 23. Question 5 or question 4. The value of the expression 2x power 2 subtract by 2 times 3 plus 3 power 2 in the parentheses here 4x equal 3. Then we can find this expression, the value of this expression. Put x equals 3 here. 2 multiplication 3 here, 3 power 2, it will be 9. Subtract 2 power 3 equals 6. Subtract or 8 to 3 power 2 equal 9. 2 times 9 equal 18. Subtract by 6 plus 9, it will be 15. 18 minus 15, it will be 3. The result here will be 3 about this question. Question number 5. If the price of 1 pen is 6 pounds, then the price of x pence, it will be 6x. Question number 5, it will be, the result will be 6x. Question number 6. If the price of 10 pence is x pounds, the price of each one here, it will be the total of the money divided the price of 1. The price of 10 pence is x pounds. Then we can write here the total. The price of 10 pence is x pounds. Then the price of 1 pen, it will the total x divided the number of pen. X divided by 10. X here is a dividend and 10 divisor. Question 7. We have 5 power 4. The base here equal 5 and the exponent here, it will be 4. The exponent here, it will be 4. Write 5 and 4 in the space. 5 is the base and 4 we call it exponent. Question 8. The base is 8 and exponent 3. The result will be 8 power 3. Question number 9. In the square, side length is x. Then the parameter is 4x. The parameter, because we have here what? We have square and the parameter of square side by 4 or 4 times by side. So we can write 4 multiplication the side length x. And the area, it will be x multiplication itself, it will be x power 2. It's the area of square. The area of square equals side by side. x by x equal x power 2, and the parameter equal side by 4. It will be 4x. Question number 10. If x equal 2, then 2x plus 5 and 3 multiplication x by 1 are have the same value or not. Put x equal 2 in the first expression here. It will be 2 by 2, 4. 4 plus 5 equal 9. And put x equal 2 here in this expression. 3 multiplication 2 plus 1, it will be 3. 3 by 3 equal 9. Then we have here 9 and here 9. There, in this example, it will be equivalent. So we must write this word. Write trace. Are have the same value? Yes, write trace in the space. Question number 11. 5x equal 20. Then half x equal space. We know 5x equal 20. You can find the value of x by divided by coefficient 5 here. Divided by 5, then x will be equal 4. He wants to find half the value of x. The value of x equal 4. Then half of 4 will be equal 2. Then we must write here in the space, write 4 here. Okay, this part. Question 12. 8 multiplication by x equals 0. Then 12x, it will be equal 0 again, because x equals 0 is the value of variable x in question 12. 100x or multiplication by x, coefficient of x, equal 0. Then x here equals 0. Then he won't find 12x. 12x, it will be 12 multiplication by 0. The result will be equal 0. Question 13. The equation which represent by the opposite side here, 1 it will be 2, and 2 will be 4, and 3 equals 6, and 4 equal 8. We can find here the relation between x and y. We know y equal what? 1, and x equal 2. 2 multiplication by 2 equal 4. But in this expression, we have here y and x. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. 1 times 2 equal 2. Then y half of x. Y equal half of x. Half of 4 equal 2. Half of 6 equal 3. Half of 4, half of 8 equal 4. Then y equal half of x. Okay. Question 14. 100x equal 100. Then 12x equal space. We can find the value of x here. It will be 1, because we can divide it by 100 left hand side and right hand side. Then x will be equal 1. Then 12x, it will be 12 multiplication by 1. The result will be 12. Write 12 in the space here. Question 15. X over 5 equal 6. Then x will be equal space. We know x equal what? 5 by 6 equals 30. Or 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Then x here, it will be equal 30. Question 16. Pay attention with me about question 16. We have 3n equal 15. We can divide it by 3, left hand side, right hand side, then n will be equal 5. Question 17. X plus 5.4 equals 7.8. Then x will be equal the difference between 7.8, we call this the median here, and 5.4 is subtrahend. Since the difference would be what? 8 minus 4 equal 4, and 7 minus 5 equal 2. Then x will be 2.1. Question 18. 7x equal 28. Then x will be 4, because 7 by 4 equal 28. Then he want to find the half of x. Half of the value of x, we get x equal 4. Then half of 4, it will be equal 2. Question 19. If equals the product of m and 6 as and the equation space what? We can write this equation. If equals, question 19, if equal the product of m and 6, it will be 6m. Okay, write 6m. The product between m and 6, it will be f equal m6. Question 20. The inequality that represents the negative integer, we called it what? That represents negative integer, it will be x less than 0. This inequality refers to what? Refers to or represent to a negative integer. The inequality that represents the negative integer is x less than 0. Or we have here x less than or equal to -1. You can write x less than 0 or x less than or equal to -1. Question 21. The inequality that represent negative rational number is space. Negative rational number, it will be what about question 21? It will be x less than 0. Here in this example, question 21, the inequality that represents the negative rational numbers is x less than 0. Okay, because 0 is, we call this a rational number. And the question number 20, the inequality that represents the negative integer, we have here 0 and -1. And we must write here 0 because it tells us in the example rational number. Rational number contains of in a number such as 0, 1, 2, 3. It's like question 22. 21. Okay. Question 22, the equality represents positive integer x greater than 0. Question 22, x greater than 0, or we can write x greater than or equal to what? Here, question 22 give us the example here negative positive. Okay, positive, it will be x greater than 0 because 0 non-positive and non-negative. Don't write equal here more than or equal to 0 because it's positive integer. Again, question 22, the inequality that represent the positive integer, it will be x greater than 0. Understood? Question 22, or we can write x greater than or equal to 1. Positive integers beginning by 1 greater than 0 in what here in question 22 in integers, but he won't find question 23. Question 23 is an inequality that represent positive rational integer number, it will be x greater than 0. Represent positive rational numbers, it will be beginning by 0 rational number. Understood? Question 24, the inequality that represent a non-negative integer, non-negative, it's meaning what? Here represents the non-negative integer 0, non-positive and non-negative. You must beginning by 0. Okay, non-negative, it will be x greater than or equal to 0, non-negative. Okay, it will be 0 and positive number. Question 25, the inequality that represents the non-positive integer, non-positive, it will be less than or equal to 0 because 0 is non-positive and non-negative. Question 26, the inequality that represents the set of counting number beginning by 1, we can write x greater than 0, or we can write x greater than or equal to 1. Counting number beginning by 1. Okay, question 27. The inequality that represents the set of natural number. Natural number beginning by 0. X greater than or equal to 0. Question 28. Twice x added to 7 equals y. Twice x added to 7 equal y. Twice the number x here added to 7 equals y. It's algebraic equation. Question 29. M equal 5d minus 5. As a variable here, variable, we can write M equals 5 times d, 5 times d decreased by 5, decreased by 5. Or we can write M equals the product of 5 and d subtract by 5, or 5 product the number d less 5, or 5 less than the product of 5 and d. Question 30. In the equation d equal 5 over 9n subtract by 8. The dependent here it will be d. D it's dependent and independent n. Okay, it shows write d in the space. Okay, d here dependent. Question 31. The verbal phrase k plus 10 equal 12. We can write the sum of a number and 10 equals 12. The sum of a number sum of a number k and 10, sum of a number and 10 equals 12. Question 32. 20 more than v equals m. 20 more than v equal m. Question 33. The rule here, multiply by 8. If x equal 4, then y would be what? We have the rule here, multiply by 8, it will be y equal 8 by x. Okay, it's the rule. He give us information, the rule multiply by 8, then y would be equal, y equal what? Put x equal 4 here in this expression. It will be 8 multiplication by 4, 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Then y here will be equal to the value of variable y.